very, very nice machine. Really, truly don't get any nicer than this one. 'Cause I get to say that a lot, because I got a lot of awful nice machines. Same for these in stock. This is the lowest power limit I ran out, 124 hours. It's loaded up, close can down to this. Take it back there, two-speed power change. Auxiliary hydraulics, dual auxiliary hydraulics. And on hydraulic pump, quick coupler, heavy duty, 36-inch bucket or severe duty. 4-in-1, four-way hydraulic blade with bolt on cut edge. And we just put brand new tracks on it. We're going to put those tracks on another machine or older machine, or we can sell the tracks. But it is just like a brand new machine. Very, very nice. Wind blew me, sorry.